Welcome back to the channel this morning. Well, if you're like me, you like the Glock 43 for summer carry, but the only downside to it is from the factory, it's a 6+1 capacity gun. As soon as I got my Glock 43, and actually before I even got it, I remedied that situation. As soon as I ordered it, I bought a +1 and a +2 base pad for it. Right now, for carry, I run the +1. So it really doesn't add that much to the gun, but you get a whole lot. Well, you get one more round in the magazine, bringing it up to 7-in-1. But for most people like me that carry a backup mag, you want something a little more than that even. So with the Glock 26, you can carry 15, 17, 33 round magazine if you want to for backup, because it's double stack. This is single. So I found another solution for that. Like I said, I've got the +1 and the +2 base pad. The +2 I've been carrying as my backup, and just in full disclosure, I ordered this one. This is a +3 base pad from Taran Tactical, who make my other. I don't have the +2 with me, but there's the +1. You can see the logo. And I've seen that they made a +3. So, like I said, full disclosure, the main reason I ordered this one is because I wore a different pair of shorts that I don't really normally wear a whole lot the other day, and had my +2 backup mag in it. And I put those shorts in the back of my closet, forgot that that magazine was in there, and proceeded to look all over the house, all over my Jeep for it, everywhere that I could possibly think of that magazine would be. Couldn't find it. Well, it's getting warmer. The 43 is my summer carry gun, and I needed a backup mag. And I had this extra 6-round factory mag laying around. Didn't have an extended base pad on it, so got on eBay. I like the other Taran Tactical, so I've seen what they had to offer. Normally this is like $35 to $40, depending on who you buy it from. Well, apparently Taran Tactical sells their own stuff on their own eBay store, and this was a store demo base pad that they had for like $22 with the extra power spring and the Talon grip to go around it. I thought that was cool since I already have a Talon grip on the gun itself. It just continues on that texture, and I think it looks pretty cool. Not that looks matter in a defense gun. I do carry a Glock. Just for all the Glock haters out there. They're not the prettiest thing in the world, and I will admit that. But much like a hammer or a good cordless drill, they just work. And just to get this out of the way, because I know somebody's going to mention it, we'll pretend that the SIG P365 does not exist right now as I'm making this video, because the standard capacity magazine for it is 10, and it is not all that much bigger than this, the 43. I like my Glocks, but I am interested in checking out one of those SIGs. One of my local gun shops has one, and they're just right down the road from me, so I may go in and check it out one day. Yes, I do go into local gun shops on occasion, contrary to what some may believe. So, 6 + 3 = 9. You got the extra power spring in there to make it reliable. Let's load it up and see how it does. Now I'm loading it up here with some Freedom Munitions 124 grain, just standard ball ammo. Loads very easily. I can tell there is some extra tension with that spring once I get, more than like 4 or 5 in there, but it's still nothing terrible. Nothing at all you can't handle. And I did shoot some hollow points I had, some older ones. I like to rotate my carry ammo, and when I put new in, I take the old out and just put it in a bucket. And if I've got a new gun or a magazine that I'm testing, I'll bring it out here and just use that. Plus, it lets me know that even though that ammo is older, a little bit discolored on the projectile, it still works. So that gives me more confidence in it. And right now I'm carrying the 120, or no, I think they're the 115 or 124 Federal Hydroshocks. I need to get some HSTs, but for right now I still got a bunch of those. And they still work good. So you're out at the range, or you've been involved in a defensive scenario, and you need to reload. Extra 9 rounds here. And just as I would imagine, with Taran Tactical, they make good stuff. Glock makes good stuff. It runs like a champ. Plus, it adds a little bit of weight to the magazine down here, making it eject even better. So thanks for watching. I'm going to load up another magazine full here, do a little more shooting. And if you're looking for a +3 extension for your Glock 43, I can highly recommend the Taran Tactical.